So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add videos into your design here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Design Wizard. Then once you're in Design Wizard, go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on Elements. Which is located between text and my items. Simply just press on elements. Then obviously, if you want to add a video, go to the top here, press on videos, and you can either view some from right here, or what you can also do is just press on more. We'll just go ahead right here and press on this image right here of what appears to be a bunch of people walking in a street. If I'm not mistaken, it's a little hard to see because of how small it is, but just like that, I've now added a video into my design. I'm going to press on the X right here. Now it actually isn't loaded. Oh, there you go. Now it is loaded. I'll make it as large or as small as I want. So if I wanted to make it maybe the size of the screen, I can go ahead and do that. And there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add videos into your design here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.